When we say UTG in the front line, we mean UTG students are taking the lead in the fight against climate change, global warming, and advancing the cause of national development. Research has shown that we are losing our wetlands faster than we are losing our forests. And that is why the Summer Go Green initiative is here to help in the fight against climate change and the restoration of the wetlands of our country.
From 1970 to 2015, we have lost about 35% of our wetlands. And this is not that much if we go back to the 1700, where we have lost more than 80% of our wetlands.
Behind me are combatants who are UTG students in the front line fighting against climate change and environmental degradation. Mangroves have the ability to absorb carbon dioxide and also contribute to the increase of oxygen level in the atmosphere, thereby reducing the impact of global warming.
You can see if the mangroves are not here, lots of the fishes will move from this end to the other end to find a perfect zone where they can have this breeding. So that basically is telling us that without these mangroves, we will have shortage of fishes and crabs.
Last year, we were on these very wetlands where the UTG students planted over 2,500 mangrove seedlings. This year, we are back again, planting over 3,000 mangrove seedlings.
It is a sobering reflection that in relatively short period of our history, most of our larger wildlife species have disappeared together with much of the original forest cover.